Hello everyone. Want to redeem your Marriott Bonvoy points for free nights, travel experiences, or even shopping? In this quick guide, I will show you how to use your points step by step, even if you don't have access to the app. Now, first, let's see how to book a free hotel stay with points. Now, first, go to Marriott Bonvoy website and click Find Hotels, and then you can enter your destination, travel dates, and select use points to see available points. And if your schedule is flexible, you can just select flexible dates and find the best points deals available. This helps you save points, especially in high demand locations. Now, you can also stretch your points by selecting cash plus points, which lets you pay partially with points and the rest in cash. Another option is point savers, right? And which offers discounted point rates on select hotels. Aside from hotel stays, you can also redeem points for travel experiences, gift cards, or even transfer to airline miles. And if you need more points, you can combine multiple accounts and under your name or even transfer points to friends or family. And this is a great for reaching your next reward faster. And that's how you use Marriott Bonvoy points. Now, whether you are booking a free stay, sharing points, or saving on travel, make the most of your rewards. And if this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more good tutorials like this one.